Hi everyone, my name is Pia and I have alopecia universalis. So I've been wearing wigs for about 3 years, but it's only been quite recently, within the last year and a half more or less, that I've really started to enjoy the fact that I can change my hairstyle every day. At the beginning, the whole world of wigs was very overwhelming because not only was I having to deal with my hair loss, which was in itself very traumatic, but I was having to rapidly learn all these new words. I was having to learn about cap construction, hair type, color codes, and then just the 1,000 possibilities of all of those put together. But once you get past that phase and you start to become familiar with all the new words, wig wearing is a lot of fun. So I wanted to show you today some of my favorite styles, and hopefully this will encourage you to start having a little bit more fun with your hair loss journey.